This video shows the installation of a DX500 sensor on a gear unit. The delivery contents should be inspected for completeness and possible damage. The scope of delivery consists of the DX500, a power supply cord, an Ethernet cable, and a brief instruction. A drawing of the gear unit should additionally be included. The following tools are necessary for installation: a center punch, a hammer, and a permanent marker for indicating the bore. The respective prescribed personal protective equipment must be worn during all installation steps. A drill, a counter bore of at least 25 millimeters in diameter, and a pen for marking the drill depth are also required. A countersink can be used for deburring the bore as needed. For installation, gloves, a cutting oil spray, an M6 tap and die set, and a tap wrench are also necessary. For cleaning, a commercially available cleaning spray and a cleaning cloth are recommended. Further required items include an adhesive for screw fixing, a small torque wrench or ratchet with an Allen attachment for a tightening torque of up to 10 Newton meters, and, where applicable, cable ties. The drilling location can be determined and marked with the aid of the gear unit drawing. The center punch and hammer can be used to prevent slippage in subsequent counterboring or drilling. Counterboring ensures an even surface, enabling optimal determination of vibrations. The drilling depth is indicated in the respective gear unit drawing and should be marked on the drill bit. After the bore has been deburred, the thread can be cut. Cutting oil should be used here. The bore and the measuring point are then cleaned until they are free from grease. In the next step, the adhesive is inserted in the bore to serve the fixing of the screw. The DX500 can now be screwed on using the Allen wrench and fixed using the torque wrench with the prescribed torque. The power cord and the Ethernet cable can now be attached. These should then be secured with cable ties. If the housing walls do not permit drilling due to their thickness, an adhesive adapter can also be used. This is then indicated in the drawing accordingly. In the first step, the paint is removed and the adapter is affixed. After the curing time, the sensor is screwed on. There are various possibilities for the integration of the DX500. For example, the sensor can be connected via Ethernet cable to a laptop computer or company network. In addition to the connection with a laptop, the sensor can also be integrated in a control system. This requires the optionally available I/O cable. Further details on this topic are explained in the video on network integration.